How to change UI transparency in Horrortale 3. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the third option, you'll be able to see settings. Simply tap on settings. So, we're in this settings interface. Here, you'll be able to see different option and customization. Now, here on the last option, there's UI transparency. So here you'll be able to get a slider too. So what is it? Basically, it's a transparency enabled in the controls of the system. So here you can customize the slider however you like. So you can customize it to the minimum if you are a pro player, but if you even get confusion, so you can maximize it to be clear and play the game smoothly. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.